Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Me and My Yak, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. Let's dance together. Watch the video at the end and click right here and let's dance together. Make sure you like, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and share this video. So are you ready? Let's get busy. This is a one-wall dance. There's 3 parts. This is a beginner-friendly dance, and there's a change on the 3rd and 4th rotation. So let's get to it. So stand on this side of the room, facing in this direction. So it's a one-wall dance, and we're always dancing side by side. I can see your footwork, and you can see my footwork. So part 1, we're going to do at all 4 walls. So we're going to do a Lindy to the right, 1 and 2. We'll shuffle to the right, 1 and 2, turn 3, 4. And then we're going to do a full corner, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A 4 corner on the left, 5, 6, 7, and then tap 8. That's part 1. We're going to do it at all 4 walls. So let's stay here. Let's shuffle to the right, 1 and 2. Quarter turn on 3, 4, which is our left. 4 corners on the left, 5, 6 on the right, 7, tap 8. Yeah, that's what we call it, 4 corners. 4 corners with the hip, and it's really with the knee. That's why we call it the 4 corners, okay? And we're going to do this at all 4 walls. Shuffle to the right, 1 and 2. Quarter turn to the left, on left, right, 3, 4. 4 corners on the left, 5, 6 on the right, 7, and tap on the right, 8. And we got to do it one more time. Shuffle to the right, 1 and 2. Quarter left, 3, 4. 4 corners on the left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And that's all a part 1, okay? So let's put it together. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Lift it. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4. 4 corner. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, it's on the left, then the right, and then tap. Okay? Now we're going to do a basic on the right. Cross right, left, right, left, and shuffle 4 times. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do that twice. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's part 2. So let's go back to the top, put a part 2 with part 1. Part 1 is all 4 walls, shuffle to the right, quarter turn, 4 corners on the left and the right, tap right. Do the same thing on all 4 walls, making a quarter turn to your left. When we come back to the front, we're going to do a basic on the right. Right, left, right, left, and shuffle 4 times. We're going to do that 2 times, okay? That's part 2. Let's put it together. Me and my yak. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Shuffle right. 1 and 2. Turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. 1 and 2. Turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's lift on 5, 6, 7, lift on 8, and go into that basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. All right. Part 3, we're going to do 4 times. Quarter turn to our right and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, coaster step. Then we're going to repeat it on the left. Left come forward, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, coaster step. We're going to do it 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, coaster step. And then we'll do the left again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, coaster step. That's part 3. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, hip 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle 5, 6, 7. Right basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the coaster step. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left coaster step. Right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right coaster step. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left coaster step. From here, you start the dance over. So that was part 1, 2, and 3. Start the rotation over again, the same thing. Now this dance has a change. A change is going to be on the 3rd and the 4th rotation. So 1 and 2 is going to look alike. Then you're going to change on the 3rd. I'm going to tell you to change. And then you do the rotation 4 again at the same way. Now let me show you the change. So you just completed your first rotation, part 1, 2, and 3. Then you come back to this wall. It's a one wall dance. You do part 1, 2, and 3 again. Now, you come back to this wall again. Your 3rd time, you start the dance over. What you gonna do? Yes, you're gonna start with your Lindy. Instead of doing all 4 walls, we're gonna do 2 walls. This is how it looks. So this is the 3rd time you're coming back to start the dance at the front wall. We shuffle right. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're not going to do all 4 walls. We're going to go into our right basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, this is our 3rd, 4th rotation. So we at this wall. What we're going to do, we're going to start the dance over again. Part 1, instead of all 4 walls, we're going to do 2 walls, which is going to bring us back to the front. So we do that shuffle to the right. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, knee, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's next? We do our basic. Cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the same thing I did to the back wall. When I was at this front wall, I did part 1 till I came to the back wall. Then I went to part 2, which is your right basic. Then I rocked up. I rocked like this. Right, left, right, left. Then I start the dance over again. Shuffle right, I'm back here. Then I did my basic 2 times. Then I'm going to rock here 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the dance, walk it up. Walk it up. And it was very smart because we are ending the dance at the front wall. Okay? So the first and the second rotation looks exactly alike. And the third and fourth rotation looks exactly alike. So let's do that review again. First rotation and second rotation, part 1, all 4 walls. Then you do your part 2 and your part 3. Coming back at this wall. Then your third rotation, part 1, twice. It'll bring you here. Then you get to go into your basic at this wall. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Right basic. Shuffle, shuffle. Then you rock up. Yeah, you're going to do that right, left, right, left. Then you're done. Then we start it over again at this wall. Yes. Do your shuffle to the right quarter turn with the 4 corners. Then do it again. Remember, you're going to only do it twice, right? 4 corners. 4 corners. Then you do your basic. Right basic. Yes, and shuffle. Do your right basic again. And your left. Shuffle 4 times. And then do your rock right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you go right, left, okay? And you're going to end the dance at this wall. So rotation 1 and 2 looks exactly the same. Then at this wall, you start your rotation 3. But you only do part 1 twice, it will bring you back to this wall. Then you do your basic, cross over right, cross over left, do that twice. Then do your rock 4 times, right, left. And at this wall here, start it again. Start the dance again. Do your shuffle. Remember, we're going to only do that twice to come back at the front wall. Then go to your right basic, or go to your rock. That doesn't change, and the dance ends at this front wall. When you look at the demo, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Rotation 1 and 2 look the very same. It changed at rotation 3 and 4. They look the same, okay? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. That is me and my yak. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.